As part of a partnership with the Parks Foundation of Broward County, Florida Power and Light Company employees had the opportunity to participate in a gopher tortoise habitat restoration project at Deerfield Island Park. The event is part of the county's Gopher Tortoise Days to help the survival rate of the endangered keystone species. The group graciously planted native food source plants like beautyberry and sea grape to help keep the island's gopher tortoises happy and healthy.